Hello, welcome. Today we are going to learn how to do the weaving sewing craft. The llama you'll create at the end looks a little bit like these two. What you get when you pick up your kit will be quite a few things. You'll open it up. First you'll take this out. This is going to be the stencil, so you'll cut around the outside and then lay this flat on the cardboard, trace around it, and then cut out this from the cardboard. When you're done with this, if you want to color it as a coloring sheet, you sure can. Otherwise you can throw it away. When you have your llama cut out, it will look like this. So this was the front. You can see the outline. It wasn't perfect. I flipped it on its back and I made lines down the back. You can do 4 to 5 lines. Fits pretty well on this size llama. I spaced them out how I liked, and then I went through and I cut these, the top and bottom, I cut them right on that edge. I did about 1 inch up. So you don't need to bend these, but this is to show you that, you know, there is cuts in all of these. Then take a string color. If you have a bunch of different color string in your pack, you can pick the one that you don't like as much because this one will end up being hidden. The nice thing about this is these little cuts actually make it so when you pull it down, kind of locks it in place. So then you're going to go down to 1 and then flip it to the back and go over. Flip it back to the front and make it so what we're doing here is we're making it so the front has a line on all of these different ones, and then the back you can do it however you want. I laced mine through, so then I made sure I had plenty. So let's lace it all around. Perfect. So then in the end it looks like this, and then on the back we have all of these different ones, and you can tie these together or just cut it because this ends up so tight. You just pull it nice and tight, and it didn't come loose for me at all. With the front, if you want to, before you tie it or cut it, if you want to put a finger under each one just so it's not super tight, because we're going to make sure we loop through with our needle. You can use the needle too if you want to help pull those up. Perfect. So now it's at a length that we can go through and start weaving. So you're going to pick any color you want, and you can use the whole color or just loop a couple of these and then switch to a different color depending on what you want. I did one whole llama that was only the color yellow, and it turned out nice, but I liked it better when I went back and I actually did it with a couple different colors. So this started with the purple, then went to the blue, and then went to the blue-green at the very end. So with this one, I'm going to start with the color green. And what we're going to do is kind of just like the basics of what we do when we're sewing. So under one, over the next, under one, over the next, under the last one. And then you can pull that through. For the very first one, if you want to, when you pull it through, tuck it under like you did with the last one, you sure can. And then what you're going to do each time you thread a whole line across, you're going to push it up with your fingers. Push, 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 right? And you don't have to do that too tight at all, but then you're going to take it and go back through the other direction, and you're just going to do it. So this one ended with under, so then the next one's going to be over, and then you do that back and forth. So you can do it where it's one line, and then you tie on the next color, or make it a couple lines, and you can do it all the way down or halfway down. I'll show you the different ones. So this one, I did it all the way to the bottom, and it's just a little bit looser, so you can lift it up, you can move it around. Did it all the way to the bottom. This one, I made sure after every single one I was pushing it up as tight as I could, and it made it a little bit shorter, so it wasn't the llama's whole entire back. And then when you get to the bottom, you can tuck the little piece under again, and you can tie it to one of the other pieces. And then you have a handful of pom-poms if you want to put these on there. I did, so then it looked like the fringe at the ends, and it actually covered up the design of where I cut the llama to start weaving. So if you want to go through and do the bottom or put them in the middle, it works best if you use hot glue for these, but you can use a needle and thread and sew them into the yarn as well. That works for you. And if you do have any questions, you can always call and ask us for sure. It was a fun project to make, and I hope your llama turns out great. Have a great day.